Hey there, YouTube. I'm here with my 2005 Jeep Grand Cherokee with the 5.7 Hemi, and recently I was trying to figure out what type of exhaust to put on it, and I got kind of fed up with all the YouTube videos because most of them were just the afters with no comparison to stock, and it's really hard to tell, how much volume increased and sound change and all that. So I figured I'd come out here and kind of bite or take one for the team and show you the before and after of mine. So let's take a look at the cold start with a stock exhaust. I think most of you guys would agree that was a pretty underwhelming exhaust note for a 5.7 Hemi. It definitely left me wanting more. So here's what I did with mine. I went out and I bought a Magnaflow straight through, a 4-inch round, and we'll take a look under here. Basically, just welded it up and kept, they had to bend a little bit of pipe there, but not a whole lot. It still comes back into the factory resonator and out the factory exhaust tips. So we're going to take a look at a cold start with the Magnaflow 4-inch round. Alright guys, there you go. There's the difference between my stock exhaust and just changing the muffler out to a Magnaflow 4-inch round. Hopefully this helped some of you guys out, and hopefully you enjoyed the video. Thanks for tuning in.